Tired of juggling appointments, websites, reminders, and payments across different tools? Calendesk claims to bring it all together, but is it actually a smart choice or a jack of all trades, master of none? Let's break it down. Calendesk is an all-in-one scheduling platform built for businesses that want simplicity and depth. Think spas, tutors, fitness centers, therapists, and consultants. It aims to deliver seamless booking, payments, reminders, and even website building in one package. In this review, I'll walk you through its features, pricing, what users love, where it falls short, and whether it's the right tool for your workflow. Calendesk packs a lot of power into one platform: tailored scheduling, managed staff calendars, service-based booking, and multi-location availability easily. Built-in website builder. Publish your own appointment-heavy site or landing pages directly from the platform. Payments and invoicing. Charge clients online. Issue VAT invoices. Offer subscriptions, vouchers without extra tools. Communication and notifications. Email, SMS, and push confirmations and reminders to reduce no-shows. Client portal and CRM features. Capture client data, manage profiles, and organize repeat bookings in one dashboard. Mobile apps. Apps for both staff and clients. Streamline scheduling on the go. GDPR-friendly setup. Includes privacy templates like terms and conditions and privacy policy generators. Calendesk offers a free trial and 3 core plans. Standard, $79 per month. Great for solopreneurs and small teams. 5 employees, up to 750 bookings a month. 1 branded website, and up to 500 emails and 50 SMS alerts. Pro, $117 per month. Ideal for growing businesses. 15 users, 2,500 bookings a month. Up to 3 sites, advanced reminders, API and Zapier access, plus expanded email SMS limits. Enterprise, custom pricing, tailored for busy businesses with unlimited staff, bookings, sites, and top-tier support. What users love, feature-rich yet manageable. Calendesk delivers deeply integrated scheduling, payments, reminders, and client chat, all in one platform. Responsive support. Users consistently praise fast, helpful customer service that actually listens. All-in-one branding. The built-in site builder ensures scheduling feels seamless and professional. Excellent for complex services, especially useful for multi-location, appointment-heavy industries like wellness and education. High ratings across platforms. Strong reviews highlighting ease of use, reliability, and value. Where it could improve. UI can feel overwhelming at first. The feature depth brings a learning curve, especially for small teams. Mobile app limitations. Some users note that the mobile experience lags behind the desktop version. Price adds up for large teams. Scaling beyond the team-heavy Pro plan could get costly. Occasional performance slack. Some users report minor slowdowns, possibly due to interface complexity. If you run a business where every client interaction, payment, reminder, and booking needs to happen smoothly and under your brand, Calendesk delivers powerful for the price. It's especially strong when customization and client visibility matter most. Just be sure to budget for the Pro or Enterprise tiers as your team grows. Calendesk is a potent all-in-one scheduling engine. Deep feature set. Great support, but not for the faint of setup. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the most frustrating part of your current booking system? I'd love to tackle it next. Catch you in the next one.